In 1913, Henry Ford revolutionized the manufacturing industry by taking a job that was highly creative and artisanal, creating a car, breaking it down into hundreds of subcomponents, and then distributing that across like a lower cost labor force. This changed the nature of the factory and work itself for millions of people for the next 100 years. And I think if we looked closely at what's happening in the world right now and the opportunities available to us of AI, we'd see that we're about to see a very similar disruption, but for a different style of work. But what we're going to see is a very creative artisanal work that we didn't think could be automated, broken down into subcomponents and then developed and done at much higher levels of efficiency, which are going to change the nature of that work for the next 10 to 100 years. Now, to us at other stuff, like when people ask, what do you do? This is the guts of what we do. We call it the intelligent assembly line. And what it is it's taking work that previously was a complex mental task that you could only throw at a human. And we break that down into the component pieces. Like, what are the questions? What are the answers? What are the brainstorming? What are the decision points that we need to make inside that process? And then we automate that process at a lower level using LLMs, potentially humans where they're required at the edge, and then bog standard computer processors and lookups. And that is where you drive massive value into organizations through the use of AIs. If you want to know more about that, we're going to have a talk next week. So come along, link in the bottom.